Organized by Xavier Law School, Exime University, Bhubaneswar, in collaboration with the Competition Commission of India.
Keeping up with the Moot tradition, this event provides an opportunity for the participants to develop vital skills for a dynamic litigation process.
Proceeding with the program, we humbly request the presence of all the dignitaries and the faculty to illuminate the auspicious lamp. Sir, please.
Moving further, we have Ms. Jasmine Singh performing Ganesh Vandana, a devotional performance, setting a positive and harmonious tone for the event, followed by Ms. Arpita Das performing Kathak, integrating Shiv Tandav, carried forward by Ms. Nirali Nayak performing Odissi dance as a devotional offering to the deities.
शरीराय गुणमन्विताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणविभीषणाय धीमहि दत्ताय वक्रतुण्डं गम्भीरतनयाय धीमहि प्रजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानोत्सुकाय गानभक्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे उचिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुदत्ताय गुरुविक्रमाय प्रियप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे क्षेत्रे गुरुदैवतगाराध्याय गुरुपुत्र परित्रात्रे गुरुदण्डकाय जल গলে পুরলি সুবতী রসিয়া আমি নিরঙ্কার গলে পুরলি সুবতী রসিয়া আমি নিরঙ্কার গলে পুরলি Nivangi vangi re murali bhajai. Nivangi vangi re murali bhajai. Ratu sami aso radhika. Jamuna Kulari, Jamuna Kulari, Padapari bonka, Lukurahi bonka, Tulahi bonka, Tatrahi bonka, Padapari bonka, Lukurahi bonka, Tulahi bonka, Tatrahi bonka, Gondi Madhare, Murati Bhagani, Gondi Madhare, Murati Bhagani, Brahmanga Charari Vilavare Savara Vitare Brahmanga Charari Adira Sokha Vidaya Subhane Ramo Vatare Vidaya Subhane Ramo Vatare Jalo Ishwarame
Performance. Thank you, Ms. Nirati Nayak, Ms. Arpita Dash, and Ms. Jasmine Singh, students of Xavier Law School, for such an enchanting performance.
Moving forward, we extend a warm welcome to our esteemed dignitaries for the inaugural ceremony today. We request the dignitaries to please join us on the stage. Sir, please.
We take this opportunity to invite our dignified chief guest of the day, Honorable Mr. Justice Sibo Sankar Mishra, Judge at Odisha High Court. Honorable Justice has had a remarkable journey from a modest background to a weathered advocate on record at the Honorable Supreme Court of India and had elevated as a judge at the High Court of Odisha by the recommendation of Supreme Court Collegium in the year 2023. As a practitioner, he had a remarkable journey with the signing practice, which was extended to various courts and tribunals nationwide, with notable involvement in significant cases such as the Babri Masjid demolition case and the territorial dispute between Odisha and Andhra Pradesh regarding the Kotia group of villages. We are truly indebted and fortunate to have Honorable Justice here with us. We humbly request Honorable Justice to please accept the memento as a token of respect.
Along with Honorable Justice, we take this opportunity to invite Father Registrar and Dr. Avnish Bhatt to present the memento and sampling to the Honorable Justice. Thank you, sir. Moving further, we have with us our esteemed guest of honor, Honorable Dr. Justice D.P. Chaudhary, former Judge, Odisha High Court.
Honorable Justice had commenced his tenure with the Odisha Judicial Service in the year 1982 and subsequently held various positions, including probationary munsif, judicial magistrate of first class, deputy registrar at Custom Exile Court Appealant Tribunal, registrar at Civil Court, senior civil judge, chief judicial magistrate, and additional district judge, among others. Honorable Justice has also served as an additional secretary in the Law Department of Government of Odisha. In the year 2014, Honorable Justice served as the district judge at Khordha Bhubaneswar, and in the year 2015, Honorable Justice was elevated as the Chief Justice of the Odisha High Court.
We are truly indebted for Honorable Justice's gracious presence here. We invite Dr. Arun Sasi and Dr. Zahid Parvez to present the memento and sampling to honorable guests.
Thank you, sir. Moving forward, we are grateful for the presence of the Registrar of Exile University, Father S. Antonidas S.G., who has been a constant support for building this event. We request Professor Dr. Zahid Parvez and Dr. Avnish Bhatt to present the memento and sampling to Father Registrar. Sir, please.
It is a profound honor that we invite Dr. Avnish Bhatt, the faculty convener of the esteemed Moot Court Committee, to join us on the stage and address the gathering. Sir, please.
Our respected, glorified, dignified, Honorable Chief Guest of the day, Honorable Justice Mr. Sibu Shankar Mishra, our Honorable Dr. Justice B.P. Chaudhary sir, we are grateful, thankful to you that you have spared your valuable time to shower your blessings on the XIM University and the participants. I would like to welcome all the participants or the guests for the National Moot Court Competition. I'm indebted to Father Vice Chancellor Anthony R. Uwari because of whose direction we are able to conduct this event. And I'm thankful to Father Registrar for this immense support. To move further, on behalf of Xavier Law School, XM University as a whole, I again welcome all the participants across India. I'm sure this competition will not merely be about winning or losing, but the invaluable learning experience that it has to offer in disguise. I'm confident that this opportunity and the pedestal so offered has something enriching, and thereby I encourage the participants to seize every moment as a chance for growth and development. At the last, I wish you all the best for the event. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your motivating words.
We now invite Ms. Ranita Jana, convener of the Moot Court Committee, to give an insightful introduction to everyone present here. Ma'am, please.
Thank you, Prakriti. A very warm morning to our esteemed chief guest of honor, Father Registrar, esteemed judges, all the participants, esteemed faculty members, the members of the organizing committee, and one and all present over here. I am Ranita Jana, the student convener of the Moot Court Committee of 23-24, and extend my heartfelt welcome to the grand opening ceremony of the National Moot Court Competition 2024 of Xavier Law School in collaboration with the Competition Commission of India. It is truly an honor to stand before you today as we gather to embark on this prestigious journey of legal excellence. As the event unfolds, I would like to take this opportunity to extend my sincerest gratitude to our esteemed chief guest, Honorable Mr. Justice Sibu Shankar Mishra, Judge at Odisha High Court, and dignified guest of honor, Honorable Justice Dr. D. Chaudhary, former judge at Odisha High Court, to allow us to open this guest August event with their revered presence. With a steadfast dedication to nurturing young minds, Xavier Law School stands as a beacon of excellence in legal education, diligently shaping the aspirations of tomorrow's leaders. Through relentless pursuit of academic rigor and the cultivation of ethical values, we endeavor to empower our students to become astute advocates of justice, poised to navigate the complexities of the legal landscape with integrity and grace. Today, at this August occasion, we are proudly commencing the second edition of the National Moot Court Competition in collaboration with the Competition Commission of India for the next few years. The Competition Commission of India is the chief national competition regulator in India. It is a statutory body within the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and is responsible for the enforcing of the Competition Act 2002 to promote competition and prevent activities that have an appreciable adverse effect on competition in India. In recognizing the dynamic shifts within the legal sphere, Xavier Law School has discerned the paramount significance of competition law as pivotal contemporary topics. This premier event is designed to offer participants the chance to learn about the evolution of jurisprudence on significant developments in competition law and other fields of corporate law. In keeping with the gravity of this occasion, our ceremony today is formal, symbolizing the respect and reverence we hold for the law and the pursuit of justice. To all the participants gathered here, I extend my heartfelt wishes for success in the competition. May your dedication, hard work, and passion for the law propel you to great heights of achievement. Let the spirit of advocacy and legal excellence guide us through this remarkable journey. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
It is an honor to invite Father Registrar of Exam University to share a few words. So please.
Your Lordship, Honorable Mr. Justice Subodh Shankar Mishra, Judge, Odisha High Court. Your Lordship, Honorable Justice Dr. D.P. Chowdhury, former Judge at Odisha High Court. Dr. Narayan Chandra Sarangi, the Dean, Xavier Law School, Dean in absentia. Faculty colleagues from Xavier Law School and from other schools of Exam University. Respected judges who have come to judge this second national moot court competition. Staff, participants from all over India, from various institutions of higher education, from national law universities, central university, state university, and private universities, and my dear students of Xavier Law School. A very warm welcome to each one of you, your lordships, and judges, and especially those who have come from far into our campus. At the outset, my congratulations and best wishes to Xavier Law School and especially the Moot Court Committee led by the faculty convener, Dr. Avnish Bhatt, and the student convener, Ranita Jana, and their entire team in all the verticals for their efforts throughout the year almost in getting the teams in hosting this event. My congratulations and best wishes to the team, especially the students. And my gratitude and a very warm welcome to Honorable Mr. Justice Subodh Shankar Mishra, because when he was contacted, he readily agreed. And today is a working day. And as we are walking in, he said they have to finish whatever happens during the day by the end of day. And it has been, I'm sure, he has had his fill during the day in the court. And yet, he has taken time out to be with us here to encourage, to bless each one of you. Thank you, Mr. Justice, for your service. Our gratitude is also due to the Honorable Justice Dr. D.P. Chowdhury, senior legal personality as he is, having seen the reforms, legal reforms in Odisha, and being a guiding light to many legal professionals. So it's an honor to have you as a guest of honor today, this evening. Thank you for your blessing and presence. Now, this particular moot court competition, it is a rare opportunity beyond your classrooms. I have witnessed courtroom proceedings, and I have also witnessed our own, what we started in within our own school, Xavier Law School, and the first national moot court competition that we hosted that when we take up cases, real and hypothetical, the interaction that takes place between the teams, the research that is done prior to that, and thinking on your feet, as it were, that you do to prove your point, it has been remarkable. Because as a registrar, I also attend court proceedings. And this is a big opportunity for you. And I'm sure those of you who have come from far and our own students right here in Xavier Law School, it's going to be a huge learning curve for you. And therefore, I welcome each one of you to participate. Because at the end of the day, on Sunday at the 12 o'clock, there will be just one team which may emerge as a winner in this competition. You know, sponsored as it is from the national, in collaboration with the National Human Rights Commission and the Competition Commission. But then you are going to get that exposure, which will bring victories for you in future. And I wish the best of experience in our campus, the best of experience for each participant and the organizers. And I wish the second National Moot Court Competition of Xavier Law School a grand success. God bless us all.
Thank you, Father, for your invaluable words.
Proceeding with the event, we are honored to invite our guest of honor, Honorable Dr. Justice D.P. Chaudhary, former Judge, Odisha High Court, to enlighten the gathering. We humbly extend our sincere invitation to Honorable Justice to address the gathering. Sir, please.
Good evening to all present here. On the dais, my esteemed brother, Justice Mishra, and the Father Anthony, rest of the members, the faculty members, and the participants across this good court competition from all over India, and the students of this institution, moreover the organizers, those who have participated. I am delighted to be the one of the speaker in this occasion. The speech given by Father is undoubtedly very encouraging and also taking to high esteem so that you can understand the legal profession well. Most of the students, those who enter the law schools, have got ambition of either becoming judges or the lawyers or going to corporate firms. The legal profession is such a noble profession which was there, is there, and would be there. Yes, time was there when people are thinking that he was no any sort of profession, they can only enter the legal profession. But that is no more. Even there is heavy competition to enter to this to this college school so that we can be future lawyers, judges, etc. What is the law that you have come so far to study it? Who is a lawyer? Presenting the case before the judge, or the judge is presenting case before the lawyer? because it is vice versa. A good justice can be rendered if at all both sides are well equipped. The lawyer has to present the case in a fashion where he can convince the judge that my client has done right thing. It may be a corporate sector, it may be criminal, it may be civil. But ultimately, both sides agree with one point that they are going to actually decide the fate of the litigant. Who is the litigant? The litigant who is actually reaching the courtroom for adjudication of his right. What is justice? Justice is that which is adjudicated with the consistent norms. So the law is nothing but, as per the jurist, one of the jurist law and us. The way you can at least carry the law that will go like this. But same time, law is being adjudicated every now and then in your family, with affairs and everywhere. Not necessary that person who has read the law becomes a good lawyer. The person who has understood the human right is a good lawyer. Who you can cater the need of the common man is a good lawyer. And also good judge. So the moot court is nothing but just to see the future of a career. Yes, you can place the matter well, is a good lawyer. You write it well, is a good solicitor. You must know that between the Gandhiji and the Jinnah, who is the lawyer you know? Gandhi is not good lawyer. Jinnah is a good lawyer. That is convinced, and therefore the separation was there. But Gandhi is a good draftsman. He can move, and that is why he won the case in South Africa. So art of lawyering is not known to everybody. Art of lawyering is one strategy. How to get the win of or the favor of this court. As you know that one of the great lawyer of this Odisha is Madhusudan Das. He has done a great job by at least protecting the great temple of Odisha, Lord Jagannath temple. So what is there inside them? Why so much brain is working? One may think that, yes, this is one ideology. He has got, or caliber he has got. And that ideology and caliber must be at least implanted from the beginning itself by being a student of law. And that is why this moot court competition has been already dreamed in 1981 by the Bar Council of India. Before that also, the people are representing different states for having moot court competition. I remember when I represented Utkal University in 1977 at Haryana, there was also criminal case given to me. Teachers very much helped. But fact remains that you are alone in your legal profession. Nobody is there in front or side or back. Because you have to cater the need of a client. Even if you are in corporate sector, your company may also get some sort of relief, may not. But fact remains that you have actually worked hard very much for your client. So the moot court competition is held to pursue, giving a persuasive value to this profession, so that in future, you can come up with a excellent lawyer or judge. You must have heard the career of my brother, Justice Mishra, and our career also. We are in both sides, and we have seen the lights. I remember that various questions are put by the bench, and various questions are also put by the lawyers. But if there is a good lawyering, then automatically good judgment will come. What I mean to say, almost try at least in the good court to at least content themselves with the case they get. Yes, team laws are very much involved. What is there? They must understand the facts well. Because the facts, if there's one lawyer is a master of facts, he can place the facts well. And he can also fit the law well. If he is not at all understood the facts, then definitely he is going to lose. Number two, the decision cited by him must be understood by him properly. And the decision cited by all are not precedents. Precedents are those who has got similar facts already in the decision cited. Decision those where the ratio has come. The ratio definitely has to be chalked out by you, at least whether it is fitting to your case or not. The plea must be consistent. Yes, one will lose, one will win. But that doesn't mean that being a loser, you have no lawyer. You have good lawyer. But what to do? The facts are not very much clear from your client. So the trial advocacy has to be understood well by you so that you can at least be a good lawyer in the future. So moot court competition, giving an avenue at least to place the matter in such a manner that the judge will convinced by your argument and accepts it. Remember that the placing the case is not a very automatic one. It is very much necessary for vocabulary, eloquence, etc. Yes, language, English also necessary. Legal knowledge also necessary. That is why legal education must be at least rooted with this moot court competition nationally, or you can international, and at least give the courage to these people, confidence to the people, those who are studying law, to come up with their better things. So, the moot court competition, as we are going to organize, being organized today, I hope and trust definitely all the participants are win-win situation. Definitely, as father said that one will take the seat on Sunday, but that doesn't mean that rest of the participant losers, and also they are not actually prepared. They have prepared. Remember that party may come up with some other plea which is not actually correct. So you have to at least remove the grain from chaff at least to see that real facts are coming. So what I meant to say that this competition will take you very high and give you courage at least to become a good lawyer, and in future definitely those who have participated and those who are also audience, they will have a definitely courage to face any situation in the future. I congratulate all the participants and those who viewers at least to attend this national moot court competition. At this, because we have the pursuit of time, my brother will speak. So I hope that definitely at the beginning have a good start. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you, Honorable Justice, for your judicious words.
Moving ahead, we invite our chief guest, Honorable Mr. Justice Sibasankar Mishra, Judge at the High Court of Odisha, to share his work with the attendees. We extend a heartfelt invitation to Honorable Justice to enlighten the gathering. Sir, please.
Good evening to one and all. Evening, present here. Elder brother, Dr. Justice P.P. Chaudhary, Dr. Anthony Dar, the registrar of the law school. Judges who are sitting in the second row. Audience, we should judge the moot court competition. The moot court competition committee, headed by the students and dear students. When I was invited to be a part of this function, in fact, I could not register myself to be with you, the young mind around here. So therefore, I readily accepted it. At the outset, I congratulate the university, the law school, the committee who is in the helm of the affairs for conducting this moot court competition, and the students, those who are participating in the event. I wish all the students participating in the event best of luck. In the moot court competition, one has to represent, the student has to represent being a lawyer by presenting a case, a hypothetical case. Here there is a chance of losing the competition or winning the competition. Eventually, on the by Sunday, we will know who is winning the competition or who is losing the competition. But in the reality, for a lawyer, in the real life, no lawyer loses a case or wins a case. It is the client who loses or it is the client who wins the case. And all depends upon the quality of brief you hold. If you have a good quality brief, factually, legally, you can land support and argue your case. Then if you lose, then don't blame yourself, blame the brief. And if you win, don't take the credit, give the credit to the brief. So therefore, in the reality for a lawyer, nobody loses or nobody wins a case. But the prime job of a lawyer in the reality is only to see that whatever brief, whatever bad brief or good brief, whatever you get, you justify the brief by putting your all efforts to argue the matter or represent the matter. In fact, the court of first instance, that is the original side, or you can say in the lower court, district courts and all, you defend a client or you prosecute a case. When it comes to the appellate side, or when you come to a constitutional court like High Court and Supreme Court, you neither defend a case nor you prosecute a case. You only assess the court. for the purpose of assisting the court, you have a larger responsibility. So when you come to a superior court, the responsibility is huge. For that, it is a package. The lawyer need to have many virtues, many qualities. You need to have a great skill. You need to have intellect. You need to have a oratory skill. You need to have articulation. You need to have great knowledge of law. And at the same time, you need to have great demeanor. The earlier the demeanor, intellect, oratory, everything used to be watched by the judge who is judging you and the client who has paid you sitting behind. Whether you have done the justice to the brief or not, two people used to see, your client and the judge who is watching. Now the scenario has changed. Everything has gone to public domain. A lawyer arguing a case in the court is being watched not only by his client, by the judge, by the lawyer friends, public, your own family members, everybody. There are many critics around those who tell you what mistake you have committed. So therefore, for a lawyer, you need to have these qualities in a package. So that quality you can develop today, from today, being a student. Any one quality is less or one quality is lacking in you, you can't make a good advocate. Out of my own experience, I would tell you, there are many lawyers. I have been practicing in Supreme Court. There are many lawyers, fantastic lawyers, very big intellects, but they don't have articulation. They know everything. There is very little time. You have to convey your case. You don't have that ability to articulate the point of law. You propound a point of law, but you are not able to put it through. You get frustrated. But there are lawyers, those who know nothing. When you brief them, they immediately catch it and they articulate it in such a manner. Within seconds, they put forth the point. So therefore, articulation, intellect, and develop your mother wit to become a great lawyer. So therefore, in the reality, to become a lawyer, you need a lot of efforts. This is one of the most respectable professions you would ever see. These are the lawyers are the community, those who determine the course of the state, course of the country, right from pre-independent period till today. You will find the lawyers in the helm of the affairs. The great document like Constitution of India is given by the lawyers. The freedom to this country is given by the lawyers. And you see from the cabinet, first cabinet to till today, the cabinet either in this center or any state, you will find many lawyers there. Therefore, I am saying the lawyers have indeed determined the course of this country. And you have to shoulder that responsibility tomorrow. Therefore, being student, you build up yourself. Be ready to match the expectation of the public at large. You have a larger responsibility. I am reminded of one saying, the winner leads the race and the loser guides. Sunday, somebody will win definitely in this competition. And the person or the team which will win, they will lead all other students. And the team or the teams which were losing the moot court competition, they will guide others. So therefore, I said in the beginning that lawyers never lose a case or never win a case. Same is the situation today in the moot court competition. Though it is a competition, but at the end of the day, you will come out as a leader or you come out as a guide. I congratulate to all the leaders in the podium, in the audience, and all the guides in the audience. Again, I congratulate the participant. I thank the management, Jamil School Management, and the organizing committee for inviting me and having me here and giving me a great opportunity. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for enlightening the gathering with your prudent words.
We now invite Ms. Ananya Pandey, co-convener of the Moot Court Committee, to deliver the vote of thanks for the evening. Ma'am, please.
Honorable dignitaries, esteemed faculty members, media houses, participants, and dear friends. Today, as we stand here filled with a sense of pride and excitement, it is my privilege and honor as the co-convener of this esteemed committee to extend the vote of thanks. First and foremost, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the chief guest of the day, Honorable Mr. Justice Sibu Shankar Mishra, Judge at Orissa High Court. Our esteemed guest of honor, Honorable Dr. Justice C.P. Chaudhary, retired judge of Orissa High Court, for gracing this event with their presence. I take this opportunity to thank Father S. Anthony Raj, SJ Registrar, XIM University, Dr. Narayan Chandrasarandi, Dean, Xavier Law School, and Dr. Avnish Bhatt, Faculty Convener, Moot Court Committee, for giving their valuable support throughout this event. I would like to express my sincerest appreciation to our respected faculty members and our esteemed judges who have been guiding lights throughout this journey. Your words of wisdom and inspiration will resonate with our participants as they embark on their path to becoming effective and responsible legal professionals. We are grateful to the media houses who has graciously covered this occasion. We are humbled and honored by your presence. A special note of thanks to all the participants who have enthusiastically embraced this presence with us today. I also express our gratitude to the administrative staff and volunteers who have worked tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure the smooth execution of this ceremony. Lastly, I want to thank everyone present here. Your unwavering support and encouragement have made this ceremony even more special. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
We now request student coordinators to escort our esteemed dignitaries to the green room. We request the participants to proceed to CH1 for the result declaration.
School, XIM University. I, on behalf of the Xavier Law School, take this opportunity to welcome you in the National Moot Court Competition 2024 in collaboration with the Competition Commission of India. We are honored to have a distinguished panel of judges with us today. Your valuable feedback and thoughtful evaluations during the round have undoubtedly set the bar high for our participants, motivating them to strive for excellence. Moving forward, I invite our esteemed panel of judges to join us on stage and accept a token of appreciation. I invite on dais Professor Dr. Arun Sasi and Professor Zahid Parvez to facilitate the judges. I request Mr. Debashish Kumar Pandya to come on dais and receive the token of appreciation.
Zico.
I request Father Benjamin Lagrau to come on stage and receive the token of appreciation. I request Mr. Abhishek Patnaik to come on dais and receive the token of appreciation. I request Ms. Swadha Raj to come on stage and receive the token of appreciation.
Zico. Zico. Zico.
I request Ms. Ashna Siddiqui to come on stage and receive the token of appreciation. I request Mr. Ayush Kulraj to come on stage and receive the token of appreciation. I request Mr. Shivakanta Patnaik to come on stage and receive the token of appreciation. I request Mr. Swagat Dash to come on stage and receive the token of appreciation. I request Mr. Sambit Shekhar to come on stage and receive the token of appreciation. I request Mr. Kalpataru Khundia to come on stage and receive the token of appreciation. With this, we conclude the felicitation ceremony. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everybody, for joining us today on this auspicious day. I request all the judges to come on dais to have a photograph session.
Aranya. Abhishek Patnaik.
Sir,
Please,
so one more judge. We apologize for the inconvenience caused. I request Mr. Abhishek Patnaik to come on stage and receive the token of appreciation. So we are fortunate to have you. I request all the judges to come and dais and have a good understanding.